Okay, so this is our hand soap test. We are going to use a 1/4 inch ID hose and a 1/8 ID nozzle. Let's go ahead and get started. So for hand soap, you cannot actually use reverse fill. So what we can do is put in a time delay. So once the bottle is done filling, it could then delay for a second or whatever and go to the next bottle to stop any big drips that are going to happen. The reason you cannot reverse fill is you actually get a big air pocket in here, which then will cause a bubble, which then causes the hand soap to not go into the bottle. And I will show you that now. So I'm going to prime the pump. And if you want to see a video on how to do this, we can send that to you. But I'm going to go ahead and prime it. And what you're going to see a big bubble. See that bubble that comes out? That bubble right there is going to prevent the soap from actually going into the bottle. So we need to go ahead and just prime this pump. And once the pump is primed here and all the soap is at the tip of the nozzle, we're not going to have that issue. You can kind of see that I did have an explosion here. That is because of that bubble issue. But other than that, this test was a pretty good success. Let's go ahead and fill this bottle. We'll fill it to about right here. This is going to be max speed for this system. If we do want it to fill faster than this, we can use a 3/8 ID tubing, and we can get a little bit more volume per rotation out of that pump. But there's how fast it's going to fill. And then here is the fluid coming out. This is your fluid. It's just a little cloudy, I think, because of something that was in the tubing before we started. Let's go ahead and see if we can get another fill in here real quick before this camera dies. Alright, so you can see no air bubbles because peristaltic pumps, they work like straws. So all the fluid is going to be right at the tip all the time. So if you put your hand on the, if here's a straw and I put my finger right here, it holds the fluid in. That is exactly what peristaltic pumps do. So here is the hand soap test. It worked pretty good. Thank you.